Windows 11 updates strike without warning, blue screens at airports, classrooms, even hospitals. Don't let Microsoft decide when your system restarts.
Are you serious?
What's happening?
Come on, not now. We need that data. It's stuck on the update.
Are you serious right now? I'm on deadline and Windows just decides to push an update. Look at this, the blue screen of death. Now we wait.
This video will help you how to turn off automatically update in Windows 11.
Option 1. Notify for download and auto install. You'll still receive update notifications from Microsoft, but the decision to install is entirely yours. This is what we call manual update.
Option 2. Disable updates completely. This blocks all automatic updates, but keep in mind you won't receive any alerts about new patches or security fixes. You'll need to check and update manually when you're ready.
Step by step to turn off automatically update in Windows 11. Step 1. Adjust active hours from automatically to manually. Please select the time frame when your computer was turned off or offline. Step 2. Adjust Windows Update service to manually or disable. If you choose disable, it will completely stop updating. If you choose manually, the update will be up to you to decide. Step 3 is very important. Most users often skip it, so controlling Windows automatically fails. In Local Group Policy Editor, click Administrative Templates. Click Windows Components. Click Windows Update. Click Manage and User Experience. Double-click Configure Automatic Updates. Here, there are 3 options not configured. Is set by default, and this is also the reason why Windows updates automatically. This applies even if you have completed steps 1 and 2. Disable. This option blocks updates completely. It's powerful, but remember, you'll need to check for security patches yourself. Enable with option. Notify for download and auto install. Windows will notify you, but won't download or install until you approve. This is the best balance. You stay secure, but you're always in control. With step-by-step guide, you'll never be caught off guard by Windows Update again. Share this video with your community so more people can take control of their systems. And don't forget to subscribe for more professional IT tips.